Hello, today we announced our 9 months results, and I'd like to take this opportunity to give you further insights into the solar industry and SMA in particular. And of course, I will tap also the key financials of SMA during the reporting season. First of all, the market experienced rapid growth over the previous years. This kind of impressive growth discontinued in 2011. We expect a market size of 21 gigawatts in 2011. That is nearly 10% lower than the record year 2010. The reasons for the decline in demand is manifold. First of all, it is of course the euro crisis that we currently face here in Europe. This caused a lot of uncertainty with end customers, and therefore they postponed investments in PV plants. And of course, we have some financing constraints because the return requirements of commercial banks increased due to the financial crisis. And that impacted the financing structure of large solar projects. In light of the euro crisis that we currently face, we see only moderate growth rates for 2012. At the same time, we cannot rule out that there's only a stagnation of the market. However, the midterm perspective of the solar industry is very good and bright. We expect, or we see, a very broad social consensus for renewable energy, and in particular solar. And of course, we see a growing demand in international markets for PV systems, in particular North America and Japan. The market discussion immediately leads to the discussion about SMA. How are we performing? What is our outlook? SMA performed pretty well during the reporting period. We shipped 5.4 gigawatts inverter power, that is nearly as much as in 2010, our record year. We believe that we increased our market share to more than 40%. SMA generated 1.2 billion euros in sales, mainly due to the strong international and project business. With 178 million euros in EBIT, we had the second best result during a reporting period in SMA's history. And we are particularly proud to be cash flow positive in Q3. We generated 104 million euros in net cash flow from operating activities. That underpins our ability to translate revenues into cash in a very difficult market environment. With a net cash position of 340 million euros, we are financially independent. SMA already concentrates on the most important strategic issues. That is technology leadership and internationalization. With regard to technology leadership, we will introduce a new microinverter. The microinverter is particularly suited for residential application. We introduced the Sunny Boy inverter during the Solar Power Show in Dallas. The product is unique because it has less components than competitive products. Furthermore, during the PV conference in Hamburg, we introduced our new Sunny Tri-Power 20,000 TL high efficiency. The product is unique because it has an efficiency rate of 99%. At the same time, we reduced the specific costs of the inverter. Furthermore, we see opportunities in the global presence. We will expand our global footprint by opening up new subsidiaries in South America and in Africa. And furthermore, we will expand our existing infrastructure abroad. Overall, SMA is well positioned for the future. We expect revenues of 1.5 to 1.7 billion euros for 2011 and earnings between 220 and 300 million euros. SMA is energy that changes. That is true for the past and also for the future. Thank you.